Hello there, YouTubers. Just wanted to show you the tiller that I just worked on for a customer. Very nice tiller. I like it. And the person told him before that they had put a new carburetor on it and all this and that. Well, I'll tell you right now, it wasn't a new carburetor. This thing here, this air filter wasn't even off, or it was off. Air filter looked like it was about 10 years old. You know, heads was dirty. I took the heads off there, cleaned them, put a new spark plug on it. You know, it's working good. You can see the carburetor looks new now. I rebuilt this entire thing from the ground up. You know, cleaned it out, rejetted it. I put new gaskets. Always when you rebuild a car, put a new car. It's got a new manifold gasket. It's got a new gasket from the manifold to the carburetor. It's got a new gasket here from the for the air filter box. I mean, she's running sweet. Let's fire it up. Put it on choke. Turn our throttle all the way up. Let's see what happens. Choke it a couple times. As you can see, she's running perfect. Like a new carburetor. Tell you what, in the next video I get, I fixed the tiller for this guy before. That run great too. It's a Troy built. But I'll show you how to take one of these apart. It's more simple than you think. I'm here on the west side of Indianapolis. Hoosiermower. You can go to hoosiermower.com. Shoot me an email. Subscribe to my videos. Like them, hopefully. And you guys have a good one. Like I said, I'll be having more videos up. Like I said, drop by here at hoosiermower. We're the cheapest in town. And I'm just showing you how to do it yourself or can do it. Like new carburetor. You guys have a good one.